very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are fine and doing good. I am your English teacher for class 4 from IYS school. Our topic for today's class is unit number 6, school days. Page number 68 of your course book. This unit is present on page number 68 of your course book. Okay, students, before starting the class, I am giving you some instructions. Kindly follow these instructions so you will easily understand the lesson. Kindly check your audio setting if you are not listening my voice. Keep a pencil and a rough copy with you and note down any difficult word or question you find during the class. But don't interrupt me during the class. If you have any question or if you want to ask any question, uh, ask me at the end of the lesson through your chat box. Type your question in the chat box and then I will address you by audio. Okay, students, now I am starting my class. Page number 68 of your course book. Before starting the class, I am giving you introduction of the unit or the topic. Okay, school time. This chapter name is all you all know that this is a chapter called school days. So you all know very well that school time is the memorable time in the one's life. Everyone enjoy this time. Many beautiful and sad memories of our life belongs to school. We may experience some incidents which give us long lasting memories. Okay, so school life and school time is the most memorable, most amazing, and most interesting time in the person's life. So everyone enjoy this time in different manners. We also experience some sad memories. We also have some uh, happy and cherished memories regarding to our school life. So this is the introduction of your topic. We also have some memories to our classroom, like you enjoy in your class uh, during while teacher is while teacher taught you a lesson. You also enjoy this lesson. You enjoy your classroom time with your classmates, with your friends, and also complete your classwork with the coordination of your friends and with the coordination of your teacher. So this is also the you are creating memories at that time. Okay, you also have some memories from your playground or PT time. When you go to PT, you play with your friends, you share some gossips, and also you share some information. So it is the also is the also memorable and most amazing time. Now I am giving you the introduction of the main character of this unit. Means in school days we are studying an incident of which happened with the lady Maria Sklodowska. So I am giving you some short introduction of Maria Sklodowska. Who was Maria Sklodowska? Maria Sklodowska name was Mary Sklodowska Curie, and she was a Polish and naturalized French physicist and chemist who conducted pioneer research on radioactivity. Okay, so this is the introduction of Marie Curie. So she was a physicist and a chemist. Chemist, the person who study chemistry and physiology, is called chemist and physicist. So she discovered the radioactive elements. So she researched on radioactivity. Okay, she was born on November 7, 1867 in Warsaw, Poland. She was born in Poland and she was died in July 4, 1934 in St. Siloams. Okay, she got the awards like Nobel Prize in Physics and Nobel Prize in Chemistry. So she was the lady who got two Nobel Prizes in his life, and she was the first person to gain these awards because everyone gained just one Nobel Prize in his life, but Maria Sklodowska won two Nobel Prizes, one in the work of in the field of physics and one in the field of chemistry. And and the discoveries of Maria Sklodowska was she discovered radium and polonium. These are the name of elements. Okay, these are the name of element because she was the chemist, so she discovered radium and polonium. Okay, now open page number 68 of your course book. Have pencil and a rough copy with you and note down any difficult word or any question if you want to ask me at the end of the session. Okay, stars. Now I am reading a unit for you. So you will correct your pronunciation and and understand it. Even from an early age, little Maria Sklodowsky had an interest in science. Marie Curie, as she later came to be known, became the first woman to win a Nobel Prize and the first person ever to win two of them. Maria was teased by her brothers and sisters for studying all the time and for her ability to shut out all the sounds around her when she was reading. One day, as the Sklodowska children, along with the other boarders, studied together or at the dining room table, they come up with an idea. They put a chair on each side of Maria's, then they put another chair behind her. Next, they stacked two more chairs on the top of the first three. Finally, they laid a chair on top of all of them. Maria was surrounded by a pyramid of six chairs. For half an hour, Maria kept on reading, unaware of the giggling children. As Maria closed her book and prepared to get up, she pushed back her chair and the pyramid came crashing down. Maria was startled, but the mischief makers howled with laughter. Maria gathered her books and walked out angrily. Maria never forgot the pyramid of cheer and her ability to keep her mind locked on what she was doing. This helped her to become one of the greatest scientists of the world. Okay, students, now I'm explaining you the lesson one by one. I will give you the meaning of difficult word and then I will explain you this chapter. So listen to me very carefully. Even from an early age, little Maria Sklodowsky had an interest in science. So they are telling you that from the beginning of his life, uh, of her life, Maria had interest in the field of science. He loved to study science, and he had great interest in science field. Marie Curie, as she later came to be known, she was later known as Marie Curie means her name was Maria Sklodowsky, but later he was known as Marie Curie. She was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize, okay, and the first person ever. As a woman, he was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize, but as a person, he was the first person ever to win two of them. Means in her life, he won two Nobel Prizes. Okay, like I told you before that he won Nobel Prize for in the work of physics and for chemistry. So he got two Nobel Prizes in her life. Maria was teased by her brothers and sisters. So Maria was teased by her brother and sister for studying all the time and for her ability to shut out all the sounds around her when she was reading. Means Maria was teased by his brothers and sisters. Her brother and sister teased her because he studied all the time. You all know very well that the scientist type of persons or the person who have interest in studying books and also have interest in some kind of field or the person who research on something, he studies all the time, the person studied all the time. So same habits Maria has had, that she studied all the time, and this is the habit which her brothers and sister tease her. One day, as the Sklodowska children, along with the other boarders, studied together at the dining room table. So, this incident happened when all the children, all the Sklodowska children, Sklodowska was the caste of Maria. So all the Sklodowska children were studying on the study tables with the other boarders. Boarders are the person who live in the boarding or in the guest home. Okay, so all the boarders with the Maria and the Sklodowska children were studying on the study table in the dining room table. They come up with an idea. So the children had an idea to tease the Maria. Okay, so they decided to tease the Maria because she was lost in his books and studying something. They put a chair on each side of Maria's. So they started putting chairs on each side of Maria. Around Maria, they started putting the chairs. Then they put another chair behind her. Next, they stacked two more chairs on the top of the first three. They started putting chairs around the Maria and they put the chair on one another to build a pyramid like structure. You all know very well that pyramid is a structure having a square base but the triangular shape, having 3D structure of triangle is called pyramid. Okay, so they made a pyramid of chairs around the Maria. So finally, they laid a chair on the top of all of them. Maria was surrounded by a pyramid of six chairs. So they arranged six chairs around Maria in a way that they looked like a pyramid. Okay, it looked like a pyramid if someone observed it. So they stacked mean neatly arranged to put something in order or to arrange something in order. So they put six chairs around the Maria and made a pyramid around him. For half an hour, Maria kept on reading, unaware of the giggling children. Means Maria was totally lost in reading books and unaware of the thing that the children had built a pyramid around her. She was totally lost in reading, so she didn't know anything that what's going on with him later. Okay, as Maria closed her book and prepared to get up, when Maria read the book and then she decided to move on. Then she closed the book and get up. She get up from her chair. She pushed back her chair and the pyramid came crushing down. When she moved her chair back, the pyramid, which was built by the children, came crashing down. Crashing down means moving down. The pyramid totally crashed. The pyramid made up of chairs totally crashed, and all the chairs come down. Maria was startled. Startled means shocked. Maria suddenly shocked that what was this happened with him because she was totally lost in his books, in her books, and she was totally unaware about this incident. That the children had made the pyramid around him. But the mischief makers howled with laughter. Mischief makers means the naughty persons, the persons who naughty. They howled with laughter. Howled mean in a loud voice. The children laughed loudly at Maria's expression because Maria was startled. Startled means shocked. Maria was totally shocked, and the children started laughing on him. Maria gathered her books and walked out angrily. Means Maria didn't say anything word to them, but she looked very angrily and moved out angrily. So Maria never forgot the pyramid of the chair and her ability to keep her mind locked on what she was doing. Means this incident was the incident which Maria never forget, and she never forget the pyramid of chairs around her, and she also amazed that she didn't know that someone is making a pyramid around him. This helped her to become one of the greatest scientists of the world. This ability of Maria means while reading, she lost all himself in the books. So this ability of Maria helped him to become the world's greatest scientist. You all know very well the persons who have the ability to achieve something. They have just one ability, that they are most focused person on their targets. Means if they are doing something, they totally focused on that thing. So Maria is the example of this time kind of persons, because borders made pyramid of chairs, and you all know very well that when someone is putting chairs around someone, so obviously there are too much noises and too much voices of stretching or stacking chairs came. But Maria was totally, and she was totally lost in the books, that she didn't know that they are stacking chairs around him. So this is the ability of Maria. This is the positive point of Maria, that even in such a loud voices, and she didn't know what is happening around him, she just do her work and focused on her targets. So this is the ability of Maria, which help him in doing great things, and to become the greatest scientist in the world. Understand, students? Now I am moving towards the words meaning of the unit number 6, school days. These are the words meaning of unit number 6, school days. First word is Nobel Prize, award for outstanding work in science. Prize for A Nobel Prize is the award which is given to a person who do something outstanding work in the field of science. Okay? Teased, make fun. Teased mean to make fun of someone or to irritate someone. Stacked, neatly arranged, means arrange something neatly, is called stacked. Laid, put down carefully. Pyramid, structure with a square base. Pyramid is a structure like a triangle. It is a triangular 3D structure, but it has the square base. The base of the pyramid is square, but from top it look like a triangle. It look like a three-dimensional triangle. Giggling, laughing. Laughing loudly or in a slow voice is called giggling. Mischief, naughty. Mischief means naughty. Howled, a loud noise. Howled mean a loud noise. Startled, feeling sudden shock. Startled mean feeling sudden shock, or get a sudden shock. Gathered, come together. Gather mean to collect something and to come together. So these are the meanings, words meanings. Kindly take the screenshot, so it will become easy for you to do your work in your fair copies. Kindly take the screenshot. I am giving you just 2 seconds, students. Take the screenshots of the words meaning. I hope you all have taken the screenshot. Now I am moving towards the question answers. So this is the first question. What are the achievements of Maria Sklodowska? So she was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize and the first person ever to win two of them. Means, what are the achievements of Maria Sklodowska? Her greatest achievement was she was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize. She won a Nobel Prize and the first person ever to win two of them. Means she was the first person in the world to win two Nobel Prizes. Okay. Question number 2. Why did Maria brothers and sister tease her? Means, what was the reason that Maria brothers and sister teased her? Her siblings teased her for studying all the time and for shutting out all the sounds around her when reading. So Maria's brothers and sisters tease her because they want them they want to play with Maria, but Maria studied all the time and shutting down all the sound around her while reading. She didn't listen any voice during reading. This was the habit on which Maria's brothers and sisters teased her. Kindly take the screenshot of these two questions. Students, kindly take the screenshot of these two questions. Question number 3. What prank did the boarders play on Maria? What was the prank? Prank mean make fun or to amaze someone or to shock someone in a sudden action or to make fun of someone. They stacked chairs all around Maria, creating a pyramid that would topple as soon as she got up. Means boarders stacked the chairs around the Maria, and which would topple as soon as she got up. Topple means crashing down, which crashed down when she get got up. Question number 4. Do you think Maria's brothers and sister acted appropriately? Give reasons for your answer. Means they are asking you that do you think that Maria's brothers and sister uh, acted appropriately? Means when they tease Maria, it is okay to tease someone. Give reasons for your answer. No, Maria's brother and sisters did not act appropriately. Means Maria's brothers and sisters did not act appropriately because we should not disturb others in their study time. Means we are not allowed or we should not disturb the other person while someone is studying. So it is a bad habit. Question number 6. How did Maria feel when the chairs came crashing down all around her? She was startled and left the room angrily. Okay, first of all, take the screenshot of these questions. Question number 3 and 4. Take the screenshot of question number 3 and 4. Number 5. How did the boarders feel when their prank succeeded? Means what was the feelings? What were the feelings of boarders when their prank succeeded? They howled with laughter at Maria's expressions. Means they howled with laughter. They laughed loudly at Maria's expression because Maria was become shocked now. So they enjoyed her expressions. Question number 6. Why did Maria feel when the chairs came crashing down all around her? She was startled and left the room angrily. Now they are asking you that what was the reaction of Maria when the boarders made prank with him. So was startled, means she was shocked and left the room angrily. Take the screenshot of these questions. Okay, students, take the screenshot of these questions. Now I am sharing home task with you. Your home task is very easy. Complete question answers and words meaning in your fair copies. How you do your work? First of all, make the title page done, like you done. First of all, make the title page of the unit number 6, school days. Then on the next page, do the words meaning of this unit, and then do note down the question answers. Like I told you before, take the screenshot. So these screenshots will help you in doing your homework in your fair copies. Understand, students? You have to use blue and black ink pens or black pointer or blue ink pen to complete your work in your fair copies. Do your work with the pen. Don't use pencils in your fair copies. Understand? First of all, you will write words with the black pointer and write their meanings with the blue ink pen. Similarly, you have to write questions with the blue ink pen, black pointer, and then write the answers with the blue ink pen. Okay, and your next task is learn your work. Means you have to learn your work while doing your after doing your home task in your fair copies. Okay, students, so I hope you understand this lesson very well, and this is the end of the lesson. I hope you understand it.